Hi, I'm going to take you through the process of assembling the Thrifty 10-foot trampoline. The trampoline comes in a box with parts disassembled. First, remove the galvanized steel frames and the legs, then organize them as shown. Connect one part of a steel frame to the legs with the holes adjacent to each other. Then connect the T-joints and the semicircular steel frame to the legs. Join the steel frames together for it to form a circular shape frame. The next step is to hook all the springs on the trampoline frame as being shown on the video. Once all the springs are hooked, we need to add the jumping mat. The main trick while doing this is keeping 4 springs, then hooking the mat on the 5th count of the springs. This is to ensure the mat is balanced and also to avoid damaging the mat while assembling. Once that process is done, using a spring tool, hook the mat to the frame. This is how the mat should look after that. The next step is connecting the trampoline poles. First insert the screws in the holes, then connect it to the legs of the trampoline. Add the washer, then using a spanner, tighten the pole to the leg. Repeat the same process with all the trampoline poles. Then add a screwdriver to the legs so as to make the trampoline safer for use. Once all the poles are connected, next is to add the spring cover pad. This is done by tying all the elastic strings to the frame all around the trampoline, then tack the cover pad to the frame. Next is the safety net. Align the safety net properly, then insert the steel rods and connectors in the safety net as shown in the video. This is done simultaneously. Once this is done, position the net properly, then start inserting the connectors to the pool. Then hook the safety net to the springs to finish the process of adding the safety net. The trampoline is pretty much done now. The final step is adding the ladder. Unhook the net on one side of a zip, then hook the ladder to the frame of a trampoline.